Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Smart App Control blocking Python or Node.js installation on Windows 11. First, open the Start menu and type Windows Security. Click on it to open the app. Once you are inside, go to App and Browser Control. Here you will find Smart App Control settings. Click on it to open. Now you will see the current status. If it is set to on, this is what is blocking your installation. Change it to off. In some cases, you may see an option called Evaluation. You can switch to that or turn it fully off. When prompted, confirm by clicking Yes. After turning it off, close Windows Security. Now go back and install Python or Node.js again from their official website. This time, the installation should complete without being blocked. One important thing to remember is that once you turn off Smart App Control, you cannot turn it back on unless you reset or reinstall Windows. So, only disable it if you are sure. That is it. Thanks for watching.